welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Okay, I am super excited about this. This video is my first video in the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration, which is hosted by our wonderful Steph, the Highland Homemade Crafts, somewhere up there. Yeah, so this is the first video. It's a collaboration that Steph's hosting, where we're just going off I'm doing a different project every day for these first 12 days of Christmas. I've already started recording the second one, so tomorrow's. So yeah, I'm going to try and keep it in some kind of order. But I'm kind of going to repeat myself tomorrow as well. However, after these first two, there shouldn't be so much waffle, so much I do say, or explanations at the beginning. So the odd days, so 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th, I've got a plan. I know, I actually have a plan. So for most of them ones, I'm doing a resin pour. One, I'm doing a painting, but it's not today. Yeah, I'm doing a resin pour. Well, I'm doing a resin pour for the others as well, I think, but that's a different story and you'll hear all about that tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Every day. Today, what's the date today? 16th or 15th of November?
I don't even know what day it is.
Hang on.
16th.
Oh, it's the 16th of November today, so, you know, I'm trying to be nice to Chris and getting this done as soon as possible. I'm hoping to actually have this finished today. Because, as you notice, it's on the G3. It's, what, about 12 o'clock now? So, easy to get this finished. Right. As you can see, it's a Christmas tree. Elevator music incoming whilst I take it out of the plastic. Bear with me. Right, so this is a lovely, I think this one's where did I get this one from? Is this a Timu Warrior? Steffi mould. I'm talking really quietly. I got a load of Christmas moulds recently from Chris and our wonderful Steph. And I've completely lost track of which one's which. I think you may have already seen some of Steffi's actually in my previous non-part of the collaboration videos. So, this one's a Timu mould. It looks alright. Right, now Chris has done an amazing job of started to mostly sort out my craft room. So, I'm keeping this one straightforward. I'm not in the mood for complicated. I know, it's odd. So, I'm a little bit hyper at the moment. I don't know why. Yeah, yeah, 2 cups of coffee. Yeah, no idea why. Hey ho, we'll get on with it. Right, so super straightforward, she says. I've got these ultra old glitters. They came in like a set, I think they were 36. Lost half of them, used a few more, but I found these. Now, if you can hear anything in the background, I do apologise. Chris is trying to clear a blockage or something in his 3D printer. But hopefully that won't be too bad. Right, so yeah, I've got a load of these. And I figure I might as well use it. Now, these aren't these fancy ones that float and what have you. Don't have any of them. But because it's a super flat mould, I don't think it's going to matter too much, because I am actually going to pack the glitter in. So I'm going to be doing the tree in a mix of them. For the base of it, I think I'm just going to use some of this Wonderful from the Works. I don't even think it's £2 anymore, but it might be. I think I'm going to use some gold. And what I'm going to do, don't know if it's going to work, is pour the gold bits down here first, put the green in, you know, just to try and kind of keep it here. Resin does what resin wants to do. It has a mind of its own. But if I can kind of keep it in this area and that area, fingers crossed, that'll do it. Right, and then for the, so I'm mixing the resin with them, but I'm also going to be adding a little bit of pigment, because it's no doubt, or as I said, I know it's going to sink, so there'll be some resin on the top, so I just want to make sure that there's a bit of colour there. Right, so that's the tree. Now the stand, Chris has dug out this that I've had for a while. It says it's bronze, but it's a really nice brown colour. He's dug out that. Now I'm just wondering, yes, this hurt. Do I want to do these bits in the brown? And then I can do that in a different colour, maybe pink or a different colour. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, pausing the camera, discussing with the creative genius. I'll be right back. Right, okay, almost the same. So no, these bits I'm not doing in gold. I'm going to do in the brown, mixed in with some of this white. So it's still got to be sparkly. And then the base, I think, you'll see if I've changed my mind by the time I come to pour it. But my intention is to use what I've got out. So I think I'm going to use the pink. Now, at this point, if you guys think I should do a different colour, let me know in the comments and I'll redo one. Obviously, it's not going to be for this video, but it's going to be pink for this video. Okay, right. That's the plan. I think I've managed to keep the waffle to a minimum. I'm going to get the resin mixed up. No idea how much I need. I think I'm going to make up 80. I think even 80 might be a bit too much. I'm going to mix up 80 bananas to it. I'm going to do 80 because if I've got excess, then I've got loads of other moulds I can use. If it isn't enough, then ha to me. I'll need to make up some more. Right, I shall be right back once my resin's mixed. See you in a few.
It's a crafty day of Christmas, what will it be? I poured a resin tree so sparkly, so free. The little rats squeaked, make one for me. A festive mess, a merry spree. Oh, it's glue sticks and glitter, a ribbon parade. Paint on my fingers, mistakes are homemade. Each day's a surprise, what joy it will be. It's a crafty mystery, a crafty mystery. Yesterday was candles, wax dripping down. Tomorrow could be wreaths or a pom-pom crown. Scissors are snipping the scraps on the floor. The dog's wearing tinsel, oh, chaos galore. Who needs a mole when we've got a plan? With a hot glue gun in our busy hands. Oh, it's glue sticks and glitter, a ribbon parade. Paint on my fingers, mistakes are homemade. Each day's a surprise, what joy it will be. It's a crafty mystery. Pipe cleaners twisted into candy cane swirls. Beads and baubles, we're festive squirrels. The clock strikes 12. What's next to create? a stocking, a star, a sparkly plate.
Hey guys, right, so beginning of the video, I think I might have mentioned I was planning on getting this done in one day. It's like 3 or 4 days later. Yeah, it's been one of them few days. However, it is completely, utterly cured. If it isn't, I'd be surprised.
If it isn't, you've used part A again.
Yeah, but no, it's solid. So I had a bit of leftover, as expected. Now, excuse me, I am expecting bubbles in this because there are words in it. Excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. However,
Oh,
it was
the mould's here.
funny. Not entirely sure what the word's supposed to... I think it says merry.
Yeah.
I might need to fill that in a plain colour. But, excuse me, that's actually turned out not too bad. Looks like a Christmas tree. Right, so, with these, I used up all my glitter. I say it's been a few days and I've not thrown them yet. Right. So there's not going to be much unveiling for these because you can pretty much see them. So I think it's going to be a case of more to see if they fit together. Now that actually came out really nicely. A few air bubbles in the edges there. I did reckon to clear that out. So I'm also expecting them to be air bubbles around here. I need to clean this mould up. I need to clean all my moulds up.
Oh, it's really dangerous.
As Chris has just said, that looks really dangerous. Alright.
Death by Christmas tree.
So they came out nicely. Now let's see if this fits together. It should do in theory. Let's see if it goes in here. Oh, perfect.
That's a first.
It certainly is a first. Oh my word. Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. Right. Let's see. I'm really quite chuffed with that. Super straightforward. Came out beautifully. I've got a little bit, not much actually. Normally when I pull, I think I've got more clean up on this one, she says. I mean, there's a little tiny sharp edge. But all these edges seem pretty straightforward on this. So I didn't dome it. I'm glad I didn't. I'm really quite chuffed. All right, so this is my day one of Steph's lovely 12 Days of Christmas projects. Can you tell? I'm easily impressed.
You married me.
Yeah, I married Chris, what can I say? Right, so please go check out below the playlist for this collaboration. It's going to be awesome. A few of us have already got, at the date of me recording this demoulding, I think there's a couple of people have already got their videos up. It's it's getting very close to December. And some of us haven't even started yet, 19th. So I've got a few days to try and get back up to date with this. Started early with every intention of finishing it. Did that happen? Nah. does it bother me? A little bit, but I'll do it. Right, so yeah, go check out the playlist below. Linked below, I've also got my discount codes and all that good stuff. And please, I'd really appreciate if you like and comment as well. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. For my current subscribers, thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. And I will catch you tomorrow for the next one. Bye, guys.
She's the crafty rat with her spinning light, turning the broken into something bright.